up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. I'm at a Broward County Florida DMV location. We're practicing the driving test, so I'm just gonna run her through it one time. She's testing in about 2 or 3 days, so we're just gonna do a quick run through. Alright, so they're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn left away from the curb, pull the car in park, pull the parking brake up, turn off the ignition.
Alright, go ahead and do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do those things. They're checking to make sure that the brake lights, the turn signal lights, and the horns are working. They will not take you out in the car unless those things are working. And again, the DMV examiners are not getting in the car with you. They're gonna call you on the phone, and you have to have someone sit with you that's 21 or older. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, look behind you, and when your mirror is past the end of the line, they're gonna ask you to, you're gonna turn all the way right because you're going left. They're gonna say reverse and go to the left. So back up a little bit more, back up a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Put the car back in drive, and you're gonna pull up here and straighten up, because it's difficult to reverse in a straight line, especially for new drivers, unless you are straight when you stop. So make sure you straighten up here like that, stop right here, and then reverse straight back. Alright, look behind you and just roll. Don't press the gas, don't turn the wheel. You know, if you're straight when you stop, you'll go straight back, nice and easy. They'll tell you when to stop, so I'll say stop about here. Alright, now they're gonna ask you, they're gonna say the next thing that we're gonna do is the quick stop. So speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Make sure you go straight down in your lane. Go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright.
That's cool.
That is cool. That is what they do. Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn. So keep going, signal left. So yeah, every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. Signal left, signal right. If you don't signal, then you'll lose points. Okay, so we're gonna stop here and wait for these people to back out of the parking space. I don't know why they're just sitting in there like that, but yeah. Alright, so we're gonna pull up close to the right side over here, and we're gonna park into the space.
Why am I moving so slow?
Because that SUV is too big. Yeah, people show up to the DMV to do their driving tests in these humongous SUVs. I guess that's what they have, but that puts you at a huge disadvantage if your car is that big. Alright, so pull up on the right side, close to the right. You're gonna line up your mirror. Don't go too close because you don't want to hit the curb. Line up your mirror with the cone like that. Turn all the way left, and you roll into the parking space. As you get to the middle, you straighten up and pull straight in, just like that. Cool. Alright, now you're gonna reverse straight out of the space and go to the left so we can do the 3-point turn. So look behind you, and as soon as your mirror is past the cones, go slow. So back out a little slower than that. Turn all the way right, and you're gonna back up again until your mirror is past the middle line, like about that. Alright, that's good. Put the car back in drive. Pull up next to the line on the right side because we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So close to the right, without going over the line. Alright, that's good. Stop about here. Alright, go ahead. 3-point turn, signal left. Alright, stop there. Put the car in reverse all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder and right shoulder. Alright. When your mirror is past the middle again, you stop. Put the car back in drive. Signal left again. Again, make sure you signal, otherwise you're gonna get 4 negative points for each time that you don't signal. Alright, so we're gonna go to this stop sign here and we're gonna make a left turn. So signal left, come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3, go ahead and make a left. Go in the right lane and then you can make the first left. Okay, stop here, wait for these people to move out of the way.
Suppose them watch your video in there.
I'm pretty sure they are, because that's what they're doing. You know that. Most of the people that I see here, that's what they're doing. Okay, so you just pull up. You pull up a little bit more, and you would stop about here. Alright, stop and put the car in park. Alright, so how do you think you did?
100.
100? You sure about that? You sure?
How much you give me?
No, she did great actually. You did good. I would give you about 100. Because I mean, yeah, you'll be fine. Especially when we're done practicing. Remember, we're practicing now and we're practicing the morning of the test. So, yeah, you'll be fine. Trust me. I'll put it in the description really what she got on her test. But I expect her to get at least 100. Alright, so again, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you on the next video.